If you're looking for a large 5-bedroom, multiple living zone home in prime Pascoe Vale South Coonans Hill location, 101 Woodlands Avenue, Pascoe Vale South is the home. I'm Peter Speciale from Woodlands. Let's have a look around. The kitchen is the central part of the home. Double wall ovens, 900 cooktop, dishwasher, dual pantries. The living areas surround this serene space, servicing the 4 bedrooms upstairs plus the bedroom downstairs, overlooking your private, serene yard to entertain for the children to play. If this home captures your interest, please contact myself, Peter Speciale, or Dante Gambarini, or any of the team at Woodlands in Pascoe Vale. We're looking forward to meeting you here at this very, very special home.